Say a buying for Fraba na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, one on a president of the land now. Now, no, the Batuja say, or back by moi, or best son Yamukaka. Near him say, Ministry of Youth and Sports. They say, as some RSN and Shannon say, a Chemu, youth for the baby, and a ministry. And so now they say Ministry of Sports and Recreation. And on Abe Tomwa, if it didn't have Ministry of Youth and Sports, I do baby cry about Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports. Near Team about the Ministry of Youth and Sports, near the Ministry of Sports and one. It's a Ministry of Sports and Recreation. And now Abe Tomwa and some get to Akrana. Yeah, Kaya Wonka Krakuya Chino. They say Anna Kwakwaye. Now sama Mr. Excellency the two drag in the entire or person or team they say what team on in.
We're going to separate youth from sports, because it's a youth and sports ministry. But over the years, what we know is that the concentration is just on sports. And even on sports, the concentration is just on the Black Stars. My vision for this ministry will be that it will focus on mainstreaming youth interest in all sectors of the economy. It will focus on mainstreaming youth interest in all sectors of the economy. But most of all, it will concentrate on rolling out strategies that will create jobs for young people.
Way and His Excellency the two no na this week the minister on Oba Sports and Recreation, but if everybody na yahu se we na ekwa na se we ba Romeo's bebre na from ebi born in Anteva na pa na abudin ebi edin bebre na nnamu de His Excellency be born the sports minister na ya kan san this weekend e twa mu MTN FA Cup round of 32 ne ba so atom the visa bokotoku Shining Stars ka me nsan mo timu ba ko na no afie da e na fashion me da to aso a akasefo ne bi bubo mu Accra Lions ne FC Nania e bo zolo on penalties Nania qualify ko manim 5-3 Golden Cakes so ball 2-2 with Dambot 5-4 Golden Cakes they qualify at the corner nim Doma Unity FC so ball zolo on the Tachiman Liberty 4-2 Tachiman Liberty the ko manim sanso na wa power and Northern City so ball 3-3 5-4 Northern City qualify the corner nim ube piemu ewo other results and so ba mu dembi before any Brekum Chelsea ebo 1-1 4-2 Brekum Chelsea qualify ko accelerate kotoko chene bon kam you know want to me ante sanso na Bechem United so ball nations e ka ba ko to me ante ba take Holy Stars etna fie bibia ni goal stars ko bon ka ba ko to me ante Cape Coast Drafts yes I was one drafts no omo second 11 wise ene ko 1-1 4-3 on penalties 11 wise qualify ko Accra so folk yes Asiedu katekana na no gina mo nan so bo home stars for e ka bien sound stars for to me ante true democracy ebo dreams for ka ba kwa dreams sent to me ante Karela so bo exponential for kan na ya exponential for take mu ba kwa no ne de course horrible na ko pim so temane young apostles there na zolo young apostles qualify ko ana pack academy for checking first football come in wa can first take mu ba ko in super fidelity amane mediama de na ye 1-1 4-2 mediama at the penalties are qualified the corner nim winning and results no esi ekwa say Premier League teams are qualified ko manim ni Brekum Chelsea ko Asante Kotoko Bechem United Gold Stars as to folk Karela Mediama Young Apostles winning qualified teams from the Premier League Division 1 Atom the Visa Northern City Tachiman Liberty Youth Park Academy FC Nania Golden Cakes 11 wise na true democracy way any round of 16 teams they ever draw my hair one bit ma qualify for the next round of the competition na yakane sa nanwada Kotoko fourth major na so ba accelerate for come you accelerate for to me anti no prosper nete ogum wono wa ye coach pani pa na Kotoko and nsem kakra to dwa wonim se kwa me poku gini di wasa game no mu nsem a ogum de to dwa ne
we didn't really know, but then that didn't really bother us. We focused on ourselves as to how we should go, how we should play in the game. So we tried as much as possible to control the game where we knew for them definitely they were going to come at us aggressively, and then that was exactly what they did. With respect to the youth team players, I think it was a good platform for them to showcase what they are capable of doing. They did well. I'm sure as we give them similar or same opportunities to exhibit what they have in them, it will boost their confidence, it will boost their determination to work harder at training and get more playing time when such opportunities come. So as a technical staff, I think we are happy with the youth players where they played, and then we are also happy with the team, the way the team played. I'm sure people wanted to see an avalanche of goals. Then in such games, sometimes it doesn't happen that way. The most important thing is that we have grown and we are moving to the next stage of the competition.
Prosper Neteogum head coach Metema Kumasi Asante Koroko fans so na bia ni age bi so mo nhyada hu so ye
boy any boy si boy nti Kotoko no tede ya she but se no premier no ya bo 5 matches bi a hwa ya hyehyɛ saa ne media makobo draw eti no bia ni se team ye by na changes kaka by no se team no se ye changes a no team no na ne hye dodo no ba hu se ball there se Kotoko ti matches se body se hu se Kotoko team ni peja by ye 2-3 changes na team no aye you now ye coach na other team na no na da no na no so na ade o mo ba se onye no hu nya adu ye pe Kotoko run team but so much we boy still a jumo so we need to say Kotoko ya hu the dia du ni na se this is a Africa Africa Ghana two competitions in Africa the league and the Africa and then you guys have Africa class no ko win one in abelen na serious na the league and one in the Africa and you guys can say this is the Kotoko even friend match from Majibodi tini manyaji kasi maybe I'm from accelerator down because kasa mu kasa aye no na mi so be accelerate akwa coach na tiato board e omu ni bo omu team e chen Kotoko team a wo gu ne hyehyɛ no foforo ne wo mu ade bia omu na me ta score man po omu yo train was score man po aso school mo what you say omu no ma bo mu wa che na junior team players be 4 and bob junior team ye te ye ko do 6 months me you players 4 ade bob twete na do a one start match and we ginam players ade bi omu ti bench na de mu start etimi can't let him be a Bessia Kotoko said. So we can do see na Ubesia Kotoko abo.
Way they go fancy to Jana coach Watara associate coach Makoro saying. House of coach no Abubakar Watara what me qualify calling him and Asiedu Bogu minutes train home stars digestion Montano Watara so ya ben and yes since FA Cup on competition by Meja Beboa.
All the games in the world is difficult. And today you get another challenge for the first half. The first half is very difficult for us, and the first 15 minutes or so, we make some small pressure to get the ball because the first half we can't control the ball. We get so many difficult, apart from the defense who are trying to save some situation, but good luck for us, we didn't take any goal. We make some 1, 2, 3 changes and then go. But it's a knockout in the FA Cup. We think when we get that qualification for the next stage, we are going step by step. Now your mind is on the next GPL match against one of the strong team, the defending champion, is Samates.
Why what I now watching mo says they say the next league game already we crowd ya ton China and dia etimadi kan say mo ma qualify ko o manim dada entition so ma me say sa na ehon hyehyɛ esiete na ye kan sansan ye be connection so over the weekend Spanish Super Cup ba so and final pa Real Madrid Barca chine no ne ka enum mane timu mienu atum say yes e say Barca and flick chine say na nsada Real Madrid so pa na Ancelotti an so hye dan tumi Barca hye ne biara ne ho proposal 5-2 and a copy more on the English FA Cup and so Arsenal and the Manchester United game 1-1 5-3 on penalties United and so qualify for the next stage. As on Chelsea ebo Macam before I can number woman to me and Man City winning 3-0 over Southampton and Liverpool ebo Christian Stanley by 4-0. The next round no draw na ba betoja anya sam keto akra obi an the last e bi die mu den e bi die suyi e bi next round no man timi an shine hom be mo pa because we mu abe na bi mo abe pa party you better send the next round of the competition be ko Manchester United next round on Leicester bebo ai no ne de hye no City United mo na mo yi mo yi Arsenal film dia mo gere mo hey Mikel Arteta be fa de well it's Ruud van Nistelrooy Leicester City by normally Manchester United above our Old Trafford in the fourth on Aston Villa bought Tottenham Hotspur Brighton Nick Chelsea nebo Everton and the Bournemouth na kezo to say yes I didn't move the papa all Premier League affair na Northern Forest and Newcastle and so about Birmingham Munina so gina mu a and no send fixtures no see Chelsea ni Brighton Medica and the actual Wolves the Blackburn Rovers and a Plymouth and Liverpool and a day ball and ni the FA Cup next round anymore Aston Villa and Tottenham Hotspur so that they boni way fixtures no so and some day bro and anopay time na bukoff and to see this anywhere get sports page 2 ebebro live on Adom 106.3 FM. FAC BX tablet and Ponsen for the MTN. Everywhere you go, my MTN up on Nibia. Mansanka be phone so that be bien is my DBS and just limited. Roofing Papa Feedy 1.5 FAC and American catch them. Say this weekend, not a long weekend. Hans activities be bring ne wom pen ni bibia be sorry bia FAC and I say we use so Betway for the love of the game Betway we not try kwandi abedi the Kennedy Betway can one bibia in this sports page 1 at the Ebro head of sports Professor Wallace writer Manuel Rafael then of course the man Alex Kwabena Stone I'm gonna come in one pay me then some bro Kegyiwa Kasani Eric Asiedu Boadi koswa neti Jason Sam